Hey all party people, it's Angie. Got my puppy niece over here, June, enjoying the sun. And we are back. We are gonna do some crazy unboxing from FabFitFun. I'm pretty sure this is all add-ons. None of this, I did the summer box last time, but I'm not really sure what this is. I've observed, I don't know if you've observed, that when ordering from online, maybe their warehouses are working in shifts, maybe the mail delivery is coming weird, but I got these 3 boxes just like this all at once. Maybe the mailman thinks a crazy lady lives in my house, but you know, let's just dive on in. Let's see what's happening. I have no idea what's in what though, so bear with me as we unveil the surprises. I like this box though, that's pretty. Ooh. Okay, so this I believe was from, I had mentioned before there was a Kate Somerville, Kate Spade surprise sale kind of thing. So I didn't order a lot from the Kate sale. This is actually unaffiliated with either Kate brand, but this is a FabFit style item. Again, I've not used, FabFitFun does have a style subscription service. I've never independently used that, but I do think now when they're doing fashion items, they're like separately boxing them. So these 2 items came together in that pretty box. These are just yoga pants. I think they're calling this like a work from home outfit. So they have good stretch to them. I don't think these are gonna wear out. These have some, they're not super heavy duty compression or anything, but they are pretty good. And this is just, oh, it's a good weight for summer. A long open cardigan. My whole wardrobe is open cardigans in the fall, but this is a good summer weight. I do think it'll last in the fall. I don't have anything of this color, but it is pretty exciting to have that either way. Okay, box 2. Ba-da-da-da-da. Hey, Joe, come here. You wanna see? You wanna see? Is it puppy dog stuff? Is there puppy biscuits? That's probably very mean of me. June will do anything for a biscuit, so let's see. I don't think so, but you're welcome to find out. Right? Should we find out? You want some paper, baby girl? You want some paper? The usual FabFitFun box. Oh, one thing. Oh, Cabana Cool Wine Chiller. This is by Chic and Tonic. I have gotten other Chic and Tonic items. It's basically kitchen stuff, and I know I've mentioned before, home goods, especially cute girly kitchen stuff, is my top favorite stuff to get from FabFitFun. Oh my gosh. Good thing I've been pretending to work out all this time so I could dive into that. Oh yeah, this is adorable. Perfect. Feels like plastic, but you can see like the double layer. A lot of stuff, I don't know if people know this, but the whole point of things that are have an internal and an external is so that the temperatures stay different. And then it's just got a really nice cute little like gold pompon and like gold detailing. Thank you, Chic and Tonic. That's very cute. Okay, big box time. I'm hoping there's a few things in here. Are you hoping there's a few things in here for puppies? You're not much of a co-host. June, when you're not getting the belly rubs, you're not much of a co-host, huh? Belly rubs and doggy treats or you're out. Here. Oh, you're so sweet. Isn't she the cutest puppy? You're a little honey pup. You're so sweet. I know. What's this? More paper, more paper. Oh, June, you might like this. It's not a treat, but it's pretty good for doggies. This is just a throw. I recently bought an RV, so I am keeping sort of campy style stuff. So to me, it's sort of, It sort of has the weight and feel of, I think it's called an Aztec blanket, but it made me think of like a slightly less decorative, like Mexican blanket. It has that kind of weave to it. Just like turquoise on a white background. Good for throwing over the couch in the RV, which it does have a couch. And then like throwing out for picnics, especially since we're doing social distancing. This is a great way to also kind of hang out in friends' backyards. So put that to use this summer. Ooh, we've got 2 of these, and I know what this is. This is an actual picnic kit. I don't think this is happening last year. I haven't gotten any emails, but for the past 4 or 5 summers, I've gone to Dinner on Blanc, which is a pop-up white party picnic. I go to the one in Philadelphia, which is where I live, but they are around the world. It started in Paris. It's a super fun event. So with that in mind, this is sets of 2. So 2 spoons, 2 knives, 2 forks, and 2, I believe they're gonna be plastic or something comparable. Yep, plastic weight. So this is so great. Instead of having to pack like glass dinner plates and stuff, 1, 2 serves 4, typically go with 3 other friends. So I don't think that's happening in 2020, but to be continued in 2021. And again, I mentioned this in my last video. Anytime FabFitFun offers sheet masks, I buy them because I love them. This is, I believe, a set of 7 or 10. It looks like 10 by Super Beauty Mask. These things, I swear to God, are like $5 or $7. Can't beat that. If you love sheet masks, you gotta get them through FabFitFun. Ooh. So, Bluetooth cooler speaker, picnics, beach. Oh wow, and this is a great size. So it was almost ridiculous, but this was part of a bundle. It did come with some of these other picnic items. So sometimes FabFitFun will bundle items and say, okay, you know, this is gonna be $10, this is gonna be $30, this is gonna be this and this. But if you get everything, it's $45. Perfect. So even though I got the lunch pail cooler as my selection in the summer box, I wouldn't have purchased this, but actually I'm really, really happy because this is a bigger size. And this is what I hoped the size of that yellow one from the summer box was gonna be. It has a Bluetooth speaker, so how perfect for the beach. Incredible size. This is perfect for a quarantine summer where you're only allowed to have gatherings of like up to, what is it, 6 or 8 people. Bluetooth, that's so perfect. I love it. Ooh, more lily candles. So these are Lily Pulitzer, set of 3, and they're a great size. It was advertised as votives, but these are a great size. I got the bigger ones in an earlier add-on sale, and then when I saw these packs of 3 go up, I knew the deal was too good. The little canisters are too good. Like, look at those gorgeous lily prints on a candle, and these are just really great size, but fantastic summer fragrances. That one's almost like a little bit of a cedarwood smell. But then, ooh, what are you, tricky to get into? Okay, well, there we go. That one's a little smokier. That's interesting for summer, but super cute, decorative, perfect pieces, and love candles. Forgot I ordered this. This is a ridiculous item that, of course I got, but it's not gonna be everybody's style, but check this out. Woohoo! You know, in my brain, I was like, first off, do not need an umbrella, own 10 umbrellas. And I'm a little bit addicted to umbrellas, so I was like, am I like 30 years too old for this umbrella? Maybe. So I'm gonna keep it, maybe use it, maybe share it with actual age-appropriate people, but it's so cute, right? I love the ears. Whenever I see people have umbrellas like this, and they're usually small children, I'm just jealous. So of course I bought it. It actually looks like a pretty sturdy umbrella too. I don't think that's gonna like go on the first gust of wind either. So I tend to attract those kind of umbrellas. These are fantastic. A friend of mine, so these are the Baggu tote bags. A friend of mine had gifted me one of these a couple of years ago, and I use it all the time, not just as, you know, when shopping or something, but they basically fold up itty bitty. So when we resume not using single-use plastic, we can use our Baggu bags, but they sort of open up. But I use these sometimes when I'm just traveling, or they're not traveling, like you're not gonna wanna put it as a carry-on, but if I'm going across town or something for the weekend, huge amount of space, really sturdy, reusable bags. Love them. So there's one in this green color with sort of a gold tassel design on it. This one is more of like a citron yellowy color. It has a cool design. So yeah, and I mean, but I mean, literally you could put so much groceries in it. I don't even feel like the volume of these is understood unless you actually start using them. Crazy big. And then this was one of the things I was most excited for. So this is the reason I got the whole summer bundle in the first place. Granted, I fully intend to use this cooler, fully intend to use these little picnic plate kits. Was 100% all about this ridiculous item, which was offered. I saw other people got this in a mystery bundle. That's why I signed up for mystery bundles in the first place. I was like, that is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. And here it is. The best thing I've ever seen in my life is a popsicle roundie. People are saying it's a towel. It's not really a towel. This is for sure could be used as like a beach blanket, but it's not terry in the way towels usually are. So you're not gonna wrap it in. It's a beach blanket, it's a picnic blanket, it's a decorative wall hanging. And I just like cute girly stuff. So popsicles, popsicles. Yeah. So excited, so ridiculous, but so excited about that piece. Because it's cute, right, June? Cute like you. Mwah. And of course, I had to get a mystery bundle. Lucked out so much with that, like, I still don't know if it's faux suede or real suede blue tote bag. Let's take a little gander right there. 2001.mys-001. Big reveal, big reveal. Ooh, try me? Well, of course. We've got a hairbrush, quick clean brush. Why is it called self-cleaning hygienic hairbrush? Well, that's good for me because I hate washing my hair. But seriously, like, can you even go wrong with a hairbrush? I don't think so, June. I don't think so. Oh, I willed this into existence. You hear me talk about sheet masks so much. Tea Tree Clarifying Face Mask by Australian Beauty Secret. Ooh, and we're not just Australian Beauty Secrets. Suan Herb Revitalizing Face Mask, Korean Beauty Secrets. I guess I just told the universe I wanted sheet masks, and someone in the bundle distributor hooked me up. Oh, these are sweet. So we've got a little 3-pack of nude nail polishes. Nudes are great in the summer. By a brand called Kerr. So I'm not gonna dig these out of the plastic because they're a little bit, they're in there. And I knew there was, oh, here it is. Oh, makeup finishing spray. So I'm not super huge on makeup. This might go as a gift, but I mean, it doesn't hurt to have. I'm pretty much just like an eyeliner and like maybe powder kind of girl. I don't know if you can tell, but you know what? This will be put to use whether or not I use it at all. My favorite thing from the bundles, these are both gonna be put to good use by me. So that is the fun. That's pretty much with the exception of this, the leggings and the sweater, which came from the Kate and Kate sale. Everything else was an add-on to my summer box. So it just like, I guess, came shipped at all different times. But I'm happy to get some more stuff. Maybe we'll see some summertime and all of these fun things will get put to use. If not this year, definitely next year. Thanks for coming by. Time to say bye, June. Time to say bye. Come here, little honey pup. She's not interested this week. Oh, but you're such a good girl. Say bye-bye. Oh, there's the bellies. Thanks for coming. Talk to you later. Mwah.